Researchers have announced a breakthrough in hearing technology that could help people who struggle to hear, even if standard hearing tests show little or no hearing loss at all. Joining me to explain more is Dr. Brent Edwards, Director of the National Acoustic Laboratories, the research arm of Hearing Australia. Good to see you. What exactly are you and the team at NAL up to? Take us through what's going when it comes to this breakthrough.
Yeah, good to see you, Mike, and thanks for asking. So anyone in the world who gets fit with a hearing aid is probably being fit with a prescription that was developed right here in Sydney 15 years ago. And so we're excited today to announce a radical update to that prescription that's going to improve the lives of people with hearing loss around the world, but also open the door for hearing help to people who don't even have much hearing loss, but still need hearing help.
Absolutely, because as we know, these things can sort of deteriorate over time, so getting on top of it early is always recommended. But how does this technology support those with hearing difficulties?
Well, up until now, hearing care professionals, audiologists, haven't known how to deal with someone who has speech and noise problems but doesn't have traditional hearing loss. So we've looked at this very closely over the years, and we've developed a method, a recommendation that audiologists can use in order to provide care and fit hearing aids to someone even though they don't meet the traditional definition of someone with hearing loss. This is based on analysis of millions of diagnostic data and testing that we've done in our lab with a variety of patients and products.
Yeah, I can only imagine the amount of effort and testing that's gone into producing something so clever. But where does NL3 have the biggest impact with its modular design? Take us through a little bit about it.
Yeah, so the key here is a major trend in healthcare is precision health, where you're treating the individual in front of you and not just providing a generic solution. The previous prescription, NL2, was more of a generic solution that was kind of a one-size-fits-most. What we're doing now is providing audiologists with a tool to provide precision hearing healthcare and meet the unique needs of the patients in front of them. We're able to do this by using the latest in AI, with neural networks based on millions of diagnostic data sets that we didn't have access to before, and the introduction of modules that audiologists can choose to select based on the needs of the patient in front of them, whether they would benefit, for example, from a module that is specifically for speech and noise, or a module that is specifically for people who don't have much hearing loss but have significant speech and noise help.
Okay, so what's the future availability of all of this? And let's talk about the rollout of the technology. I'm sure there are a lot of people out there excited to have a look, have a listen, and find out how it works.
So we're already testing it in about 30 clinics across Australia now, primarily at Hearing Australia, who is our clinic partner. We will be releasing the final version of this, version 1.0, to manufacturers worldwide in September. And then it's up to them to turn it around, integrate it into their systems, and make it available to audiologists around the world, including audiologists here in Australia.
Absolutely. And if people do want to find out a little bit more, perhaps read some of the research or check out the design, where's the best avenue to engage with you and the team and find out a little bit more about how you can help?
Well, we're talking about it a lot on our LinkedIn channels for the National Acoustic Laboratories and my own channel, Brent Edwards. Also on our website, nal.gov.au, we have information as well. We're excited to get the information out there. We're excited to help people who have hearing needs. So stay tuned for the release of this new innovation.
Dr. Brent Edwards, I want to thank you for joining us on the program, bringing this to our attention. Good luck to you and the team moving forward, because it sounds like you are doing magical things with this technology.
Thanks so much, Mike.